y'all. This is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and I want to do a little chatting with y'all today. I had cooked the ham, and I asked for feedback. I showed you all how to cook the ham, and I just want to know some sides that you want me to cook with it. What type of beans? When I have a ham like that, I normally cook beans or peas, but I think I'll be cooking some baby lima beans. That was my little vacuum, y'all. And I have another question y'all asked me. When you all cooking grits, that's a number one question they ask me. They ask me how long do I cook the grits. Normally grits cook from 45 minutes to an hour. It's a long process if you want them to taste good. And you have to put butter and water. That's all required for grits. But like I say, you keep adding. First, when you're cooking it, you add the same amount of grits as water, almost the same amount. And then you don't probably add no more grits, but you add more water and continues to add water to it cook. And it gets very smooth, like I say, 45 to 50 minutes. And another question y'all ask me is, do you soak your beans? Yes, no, I do not soak no beans, because I think when you soak them, you take all the flavor out of them. I let mine cook, they said pinto beans, 4 hours. Black-eyed peas, probably 2 hours and a half. And you let them cook. You put your meat in there, ham hocks, neck bones, and let them cook. Do not soak them. They taste better when you let them cook. Okay, well, in y'all comments, I just like to know what you all want me to cook, because I'll try to cook anything. And when I'm cooking, I cook anything. If I don't know how to cook it, I'll look it up. I'll look at some of the videos, but it's always going to come back to how I cook things, because that's why I don't do a lot of baking when it comes to cakes. I can make the pies, but I do not stick to the recipe. And cakes have to, you have to stick to those ingredients and stuff. And I don't, I always I might add a little more sugar, a little more of this. So that's why I don't do so much baking. But anything you all want me to cook, put in the comments and let me know. I definitely will try my best to cook it. And I explain it. And some people tell me, a couple of men have told me that I talk too much and told me I talk too much. But when I'm talking like that, I feel like I'm a teacher. And I like to joke around in my real, like that. But when it comes to cooking, I like for food to taste just like mine. And most time I repeat it, my ingredients. Sometimes I might say something not wrong, but look at what I'm not right. I might be saying like baking soda should be baking powder, but I'm showing you on the can what it is. Like I say, just let me know what you all like for me to cook. Yeah, okay, then I'm not gonna keep you all night, and just a little. I just wanted to share something. I'm trying to get 60,000. I thank my subscribers who all tune into me. I appreciate the comments. It means so much to me, because you all said such nice things to me. Sometimes I get a negative one, but I just said probably they're having a bad day. But like I say, anything you want me to cook, let me know. I will try, and I'll do my best. Most time I do my best. And if I make a mistake, sometimes I won't even show that. I start back over. Like I said, thank you all for tuning in, sharing this my little time with me. And thank you again for tuning in to Mattie's Kitchen, and have a wonderful day.